Welcome back to Excel Power Up. This is episode 4, and today we're tackling one of the most common, real-world data problems, text manipulation using the essential functions left, right, MID, and concatenate. This module is all about mastering string parsing, giving you the control to separate and combine text exactly how you need it. Let's start transforming messy data right away. First, let's understand why text functions matter. Often, you receive raw, combined data, like a single cell with John Smith, a 1045. This is useless for analysis. Text functions act as the processing gear, cleaning and formatting that raw data into structured, analyzable data with separate columns for first name, last name, and ID, allowing you to use that data in formulas and pivot tables. We begin with extraction 1, left and right. These functions require knowing the exact number of characters you want to extract from either end. The formula equals left, A2, 4, extracts the first 4 characters from cell A2, giving us the code A104. Similarly, equals right, A2, 2, extracts the last 2 characters, giving us US. This works perfectly for fixed-length codes. Next is extraction 2, MID, used when the data you need is buried in the middle. Unlike left or right, the MID function requires both a start position and a number of characters. The formula equals mid, A2, for 7, tells Excel to look in cell A2, start at the 4th character, and pull out the next 7 characters, which in our example, is Q3-2024. Now, let's look at combining text, starting with assembly 1, concatenate. The general principle is simple: remember to manually add spaces or punctuation as separate arguments. The formula equals concatenate, A2, B2, joins the contents of A2, John, the comma and space, comma, and B2, Smith, resulting in Smith, John. The newer Excel function concat does the same thing more efficiently. For professional use, assembly 2, the ampersand symbol operator is the preferred shorthand method for quick concatenation. Instead of using a function name, you simply place the ampersand between the text pieces you want to join. The formula equals A2 and B2 and exclamation point creates the final string, project complete, by clearly combining cell references and punctuation enclosed in quotes. The real power user move involves the essential companion, find. The find function is used to find delimiters, spaces, commas, colons, in variable length strings. The formula equals find, A2, returns the number 5, because the colon in name, John Smith, is the 5th character. This number is what allows us to dynamically tell other functions, like right, where to start or stop. Let's put it all together in an advanced example, splitting first name. This is a real-world, power user, application of nested text functions. We want to extract Mary from Mary Johnson. We use find, A2, to locate the space, which is 5. We then subtract 1 from that position to get the length of the first name, 4. The equals left, A2, find, A2-1, formula dynamically extracts the first name, regardless of its length. To solidify your text manipulation skills, here are your next steps. Text data challenge to practice your new functions. First, extract a fixed-length code using left or right. Second, join 3 pieces of information with the AND operator. Finally, practice using find to locate spaces or commas in names, setting up that dynamic separation for yourself. That wraps up our essential module on text manipulation. You now have the full set of tools to clean, structure, and assemble text data like an Excel expert. Thank you so much for joining us for this Excel Power Up. If you found this lesson helpful, please be sure to follow and subscribe for more high-level Excel insights and tips. We'll see you in the next episode.